Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the 1More wireless active noise canceling headphones. This is the SonoFlow from 1More. It has high-res audio when you plug it into the wired. Here's the wired cable connection that comes with it, and high-res audio when you're wireless. And here is the charging cable, USB-A to USB-C. Here are the headphones right here. It comes with a nice carrying case. These, of course, flip around for use. Here's how you extend the ear cups on each side. I like the red on the inside. They feel very comfortable. I've used these for the last couple of hours since they just came out yesterday. There's your power button, also acts as your pause button. There's the wired port right there. Here's the charging USB-C port. And then on this side, you have your AI powered ANC button right there, and then you have the volume buttons right there. So everything is easily accessible. I like the headband. It's nicely padded at the top. They last for about 50 hours with the ANC on and about 70 hours with the ANC off. They're very nice and comfortable, and they can turn, and it also folds in for storage in the carrying case right there. I also like the outside design. That is nice as well. As you can tell, there's microphones all over the place to pick up audio that the active noise canceling turns off. I also like that it charges very quickly. You can do 5 minutes of charging and get 5 hours of playtime. So 70 total hours with it off and 50 with it on. These are brand new, the SonoFlows from 1More with high-res audio and high-res audio and wireless mode too. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.